Yes, it is almost that time of year again. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment just to explain a little bit of thing that I expect a lot of people may know and might not know, is that your soil has more importance than your plant. Let's take you into this one. Sometimes when you are growing your vegetables, a lot of people think it is very important to take care of the plants and the production and everything else. But as a gardener or a new gardener, I would advise you guys to just learn a little bit more about the health of the soil. Because even though you might have the soil here looking all lush and everything, and you plant a seed and it grows, and then suddenly you plant another seed and it doesn't grow, that's because you haven't been taking your time to be focusing on the soil health. Rather, you've been focusing on the plant. And it's so important to pay attention to Mother Earth than what it produces. Because just like how you can have the best quality seed, but if it doesn't have a very good soil to start to grow in, you will never get that seed to turn into a tree or turn it into a plant or food in the long run. A lot of people don't focus on the soil health. They focus on the plant, and that is what this video is about. Just trying to just give you a little information how important your soil is. It's even more important than anything else. The soil is what gives the seed its life, its energy, not including the sun, but it will be able to get your garden to look how my garden is. And I do this thing about no-tilling. So I put organic matter into my soil. This is all wood chips all along the pathway, all over the place, and I do not till my soil. What I do, instead of like turning and breaking my soil, I add value, which is through the process of digging a hole and putting organic matter, or leaving wood chips at the side of them so that it break down and feed the soil in the long term. And I'm hoping that in the future, which I've seen results already, that I do not need to add much organic matter. It's going to continue to do its own thing. That's why how my garden is looking now is because I have transitioned into the no-till, and I am so happy to be doing that, because I wouldn't have this abundance of greenery and life in my garden if I didn't focus on the soil. The professionals focus on the soil. Not saying that I am one. I'm always learning something new. And you can do your own research as well and get a grips of where you are and how your soil is compacted, or how your soil can give you great results like mine each year. So acknowledge yourself about the soil, because soil is where it is. Just like a house, the foundation is very important, because without the foundation, the house will crumble whenever a natural disaster happens. So take care of your foundation, which is so important, by giving it that natural organic matter that it needs. And there's so much more you can do, but that's a little hint for those who are out there who want to get into gardening now, and I encourage someone to grow something. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and there is something coming soon for you guys. See you guys next time.